Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question we have given a tricycle whose weight is 20 kg and has a small wheel symmetrically placed 1 meter behind the two large wheels, and we have given its center of gravity of the machine, that is horizontal distance is 25 semi behind the front wheel, and we have given the weight of the rider. Now we have to find the thrust on each front wheel. So let this is our tricycle, and this is the front wheel of the tricycle, and these are the rear wheel, and these are the center of the wheel. Let this point is point D, and this is our C, this is A, and this is B. Now the thrust force on each wheel is given by this is let FC. On this wheel let this is FA, on this wheel let this is FB. Now let the center of gravity of tricycle be G1 and that of rider is G2. So we can say that we have given G1 that is equals to 200 Newton and Gt is equals to that is 400 Newton. As we can say that Fd is equals to this is 2 times of Fa, as D is the midpoint of AB. Now I'm going to take torque about point D. So we can say that this will comes out to be, this distance is given to us, that is AB is equals to 1 meter, and we have given the distance that is DC. This is the point C, that is the center, this is also 1 meter. So we can say that torque due to the force is Fc into 1 is equal to this is 200 into 0.25 plus 400 into 0.1. So this will comes out to be 50 plus 40, that is equals to 90 Newton. Now we know that the net upward force, that is Fa plus Fb plus Fc, is equals to net downward force, that is the total weight, which is 200 plus 400. So we from here we can say that this is 2 times of Fa is equals to 600 minus Fc, as Fa is equals to Fb. So we can say that from here put the value of Fc, so we can say this is 2 Fa is equals to, this will comes out to be 600 minus 90, or we can say that Fa is equals to this is 255 Newton. So this is the force required. So we can say that required thrust on each front wheel is given by, that is 255 Newton. So this is our answer, and for that we can say option A is the correct choice.